KADDB for Army Recognition editorial team at SOFEX, the Special Forces Operation Exhibition and Conference. Today we had the chance to make a tour about the Jordanian defense industry.
I'm I'm the chairman and founder of the Paramount Group, which is today South Africa's, probably Africa's largest privately owned aerospace and defense company. The group is more than 22 years old, and we are a major player in the naval environment, in the land forces environment, and in the aerospace environment, not only in Africa, but in the world today. We've been working with the Jordanian Armed Forces for many years, and we consider them to be a very important partner of ours. They have selected our Mbombe 6x6, which is one of the most advanced infantry fighting vehicles in the world, as their primary infantry fighting vehicle. We're very proud of this. We've worked very closely with them to refine the vehicle for their operational conditions. Today they are on the front line of the fight against fundamentalism, and even though Paramount has been involved in developing equipment for asymmetrical warfare for many years, the threats and the level of threats are evolving. And today we, together with the Jordanian Armed Forces, we have evolved a vehicle, evolved a system that is custom designed for today's operational threats. The collaboration with Jordan extends way beyond just them as a customer. We will be producing these vehicles in Jordan. We will be making them available to other customers in the Middle East, and this industrial partnership is an extension of other industrial partnerships we've had in the past with them. The vehicles will be produced here in one of the KADDB factories, and a lot of other KADDB partners will be incorporated into the process. Aselsan's been a partner of KADDB's for some time. They're also a partner of some of our other partners around the world, so we respect them very much as a component supplier, and in Jordan we will be using Aselsan equipment on the vehicles. So standing behind us is the Jordanian Mbombe 6x6. This vehicle is probably the first ever certified flat floor mine protected vehicle in the world. This is very revolutionary. Mine protected vehicles have been produced for nearly 40 years, all with the same basic technology, which is the V-shaped hull. The V-shaped hull is very effective in terms of mine protection, but makes the vehicle stand very high, and as a result they become very big targets. Also very difficult to put a turret onto a V-shaped hull vehicle because it stands so high. This vehicle has a low profile. It allows it to carry a heavy turret, can carry up to 12 people in the rear of the vehicle, as well as the turret. So it's very, very versatile. It can operate as both an infantry fighting vehicle as well as a troop carrier, all within the same system. The KADDB turret is a great advancement for KADDB. The snakehead turret is a relatively simple turret, but very well produced. It is cost effective, very, very efficient, and KADDB have put a lot of effort into this. We're going to be incorporating this not only onto the Jordanian vehicles, but also onto vehicles that we're supplying elsewhere in the world. We launched Parabot in South Africa a little while ago as our contribution to celebrating the role that special forces and soldiers play in protecting our civilization. You know, today the world has many, many threats that affect the lives of every single citizen of the world. And I don't think enough is done to celebrate the role that the soldiers that go out onto the front line and protect our democracies and our civilization are playing. And we developed Parabot to humanize the defense industry, to show the importance of the industry. Parabot is also a testimony to the technology that exists in the defense industry today. It attracts a lot of attention, and it has worked very well to focus the attention on the importance of technology in security. We brought it to SOFEX because we wanted to present it in solidarity with the special forces of Jordan that are playing a huge role to protect the front line for Europe, for Africa, for the Middle East. I don't think enough is done to acknowledge the role that Jordan plays in this very important activity. This is a small country with limited resources, and it punches way above its weight in the global special forces and defense environment. And we're very proud to be associated with Jordan, and we wanted to have Parabot here to celebrate that.
There is an entire hall dedicated for the Jordanian defense and security industry, exhibiting latest innovation and technology about armored vehicles, weapons, and anti-tank missile. KADDB presents a full range of new combat armored vehicles at SOFEX 2016, including the Al-Wahsh, using the engine and the transmission of Toyota Hilux. But the design and the development of the vehicle was made by KADDB. The armor level is B6, which provides protection for the crew against firing of small arms 7.62mm caliber. Another new product at the KADDB booth is the Al-Wahsh, a new armored personnel carriers APC. The vehicle is fitted with a remotely weapon station from Azerbaijan, Middle East, which is armed with 4 anti-tank launchers. One of the main highlights of the show is the new Al-Wahsh self-propelled gun system designed and manufactured by KADDB. The vehicle is based on a Tatra 4x4 truck chassis. The front of the vehicle is fitted with an armored cabin, Stanak 4569 level 1 protection level. The rear of the vehicle is fitted with a 105mm turret gun from China. The vehicle can carry a total of 16 ammunition, with 2 boxes located at the rear of the vehicle, with 8 ammunition on each box.